Murray caught at low level bridge. We've got another cod in the river. They're here. Woo! Woohoo! Alright, g'day everyone. Just down here with the boys. About to chase whatever at the moment. Obviously the natives. We know that there's yellows now, more yellows put in the system. And we've got a lot of Murrays in the system. So yeah, I went to Coley's earlier and I've got the larger mud guts spinnerbait that I've thrown straight on. I reckon it looks absolutely amazing. I'll give you a look, as you can just see it now. But I'll just get myself over here to this wall before I start, and I'm going to throw this big fella around. Last time I was here I got myself a surface, so she's up a little bit but it's dropping again, so it should be pretty good, I feel like. Anyway, I'll give you a quick look at this. Look at that, guys. Awesome bloody lure, awesome. Look at that. Anyway, I'll get it out there and we'll start this video. Anyway, you! He got the turtle, we've seen him out here. Michael got the turtle. Wow! I love fish is a fish. And it's landed. Grab it eventually, eh? There you go, guys. Turtle. Amount of times we've caught these guys. Christ. Anyway, you. Alright, guys. Got that lure, as I said, over there. He's chilling out. Turns out it's freaking that soft plastic on that big mud guts glows. That is absolutely awesome. Absolute unreal lure, eh, Coley? Anyway. Just sitting here while it's a bit warm, so when it does cool down a little bit more, we'll go out and try and find some yellows and the cods with the lures. Right now we're chasing carp, we're on the bait, and I know there's a lot of carp hanging in over there and there's a few carp hanging in over there, so we're hoping for the best. Anyway, why I am carp fishing, I'm watching the footy. Yeah, good. Go the Roosters. And Zacko, he's going to be sitting there watching the top 10 shootout in a minute. How good's that shit? It's fishing, sport, everything at once. Phew! Little carp. Carp. I got it. Hey, a carp is a carp. Kill it.
No wonder why you're so hard to get over.
Yeah, I was giving it to you. I told you I could strike him. How good's the timing? Look at that, guys, I got my first carp in I don't know how fucking long. Look how little it is.
He's tiny.
Look at that. That's what's taking our bait, guys. Oh, the tiny little fella.
Mate, look at the size of it.
That's freaking... I'll put my head next to it, guys. Have a look at that. Fuck, that's hilarious.
I don't have a big hand, mine. No.
There you go, guys, I'm on the board with a carp finally. Carp fishing. I reckon, look at that, guys, that's a PB, the biggest carp I've ever seen.
Yeah, definitely.
No.
That's a metre 20.
Honestly, I think that could be the tiny, I've caught little carp, but I think that could be my PB and smallest carp. I don't think I've caught a carp littler than that.
Yeah.
That is unreal.
Put it next to my shoe.
That is unreal.
Bro, look at it. My shoe's
He's tiny. You! We're on the board, guys. Look at that, guys. Where is it? Yeah, won the first trial. Alright, I was working that big mud guts for ages, guys, and just wasn't working out. Such a great lure. I love the glow on it. I'll tell you what, I just lost a blade on it, so I don't know what the hell happened to that. But I'll fix that up and put a new blade on it tomorrow. And I reckon when we go out to this cod spot, it's going to go fire out there. The meteries I think they're going to crunch it. Because we know a spot there's a few meteries, and I think if we can get out there with that lure, they're going to crunch it. But anyway, move to the surface for the last 20 minutes or whatever. I don't know how long we'll fish for. But yeah, let's go for it. Alright, some surfacing.
see like a big V in the water.
Yeah, I've been seeing that, so I reckon it's him swimming up and down, but he just doesn't want to eat. So I saw him earlier. I reckon it's the same one that followed me. Right, that would just pick up that tiny bit of weed. On top of the water, picks it up. You can see she's getting dark pretty quick, guys. You. Alright guys, I'm going to make this my outro. Still throwing around this surfer, still got me bait in over there, but it's slowed right down. The bites have just they've just gone straight off. So I'm not sure what's going on there. But we're on the board today, so we did get a fish, so I can't complain, we've caught fish today. But yeah, throw me rubbish in here and take it back up to the bins in the car. That's what I do. Anyway, there you go guys. That's our scenery. About to pack up and call it, and hopefully we can go and find some good ones tomorrow. I think, yeah, if that cod spot's perfect out there tomorrow, I'll be straight out there. Anyway, give us a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Phew!